What is public speaking? What makes someone a good public speaker? If you have engaged in a conversation during a meeting, presented in a meeting, or met with your supervisor for a meeting, you have practiced public speaking. The best speakers are authentic and do not have a presenter mode. This week's reading and discussion center on the qualities and characteristics of effective speakers. An additional emphasis is placed on the ethical considerations of speaking. The Bible clearly describes the importance of clear and compassionate communication within its teaching in Ephesians 4:29. Do not let any unwholesome talk come out of your mouths, but only what is helpful for building others up according to their needs, that it may benefit those who listen.